Hello everyone and welcome to Fotello University. Today we are going to be going over Twilights. Whether it's a real Twilight that you're taking out with your camera or a virtual Twilight, Fotello has you covered. The most important part of a house is the front thumbnail, or elevation as the agents call it. It's that first little thing that you see on every single MLS when you're scrolling through that's going to gain the most attention and make you want to go and see the house. Agents love having an amazing Twilight or virtual Twilight as that first little grabber so it just pulls you in and lets you feel all nice and warm. We're going to look at this in two main ways. Whether you're actually going to be going out to the house and doing bracketed shots to take pictures so you could put into Fotello to give them a natural, actual Twilight, or we're going to be looking at a virtual Twilight that you could do later on and get your listing looking amazing either way. We're also going to be looking at how you could take a natural Twilight and make it look even better with a virtual Twilight option. So first we're going to start with exposure. You're going to definitely want a tripod. Sit your camera where it does at least 3 to 5 brackets and make sure your settings are where you have enough ISO to where you're not just sitting there forever, because you only get 10 to 15 minutes during the Twilight. You're going to want to wait until you are seeing through into the house with these Twilights. And then you're going to want to get as many angles as you can, basically the same ones that you did on the outside earlier, but this is now for a Twilight and you have less time. So with Fotello, it makes things really easy because you could do a 3-2 bracket or a 5-2 bracket on your tripod and just move from section to section and then do the backyard. And it should only take about 5 or 6 minutes total. Then you're going to upload it into the system, process everything from there like normal. On the side, you're going to have all the settings and capabilities that your normal things would have, but you're going to have one extra step that you can do if you're not taking pictures at Twilight, where you can add a virtual Twilight to the system, because not everybody can actually schedule things at the right time to do a Twilight on every single house. It would be awesome, but it's not practical. This gives you the opportunity to upsell a lot more. So if you're taking 3 to 4 houses per day, but only one of them can be a natural Twilight, those other 3 or 4 can become virtual Twilights and give you a great upsell opportunity to your agents. Now we're going to take a look at some quick examples of natural Twilights and then some virtual Twilights. This one in particular is a natural Twilight. So what I did was enhance the natural Twilight by giving it a sky that I would think would be a lot better. So with this, there's a lot of twigs, leaves, and a lot of wires up here that are really going to be hard and difficult for the system. But with Fotello, telling it to do a sunset gave it a great natural look using the natural Twilight that I already gave it, and it just enhanced it by giving it a sky and making everything flow a lot better, even making the back door there light up when it wasn't originally. Here we're going to take a look at the Twilight feature. This is a natural Twilight, and then we're going to put it into Fotello system and give it a natural Twilight and then see what it does from there. And this result is amazing. It gives it a sky that looks amazing. It lights up everything really nice. This actually looks much better than the natural Twilight that I was going to give it, but this is a virtual Twilight added onto it, so it looks even better. This is what happened about 45 minutes before the Twilight. So if you couldn't be there and you missed the Twilight that happened, or they wanted it afterwards, this is what you could do to upsell them to give you a Twilight even though you weren't there. This is using the dusk setting on the Twilight system that you could do inside of Fotello, and it looks absolutely amazing. So it uses the windows and everything like it was naturally, but it gives it an amazing sky. And notice, with the pool being there, it added a reflection so it looks much more realistic. 45 minutes later, this is what the actual Twilight looked like, and it looks similar to the one that was just there before, but without all the pink skies and everything like that. This is going to be a normal scenario where you can upsell something. I've added this into the set just so you could see something from another listing that I did to upsell a client and show them that a virtual Twilight could be just as good as a natural Twilight. I did the sunset feature on it, which I know eliminates the shadows really good over in the trees. So as you could tell, over in here, there are no stippling, no shadows. It turned it into shade. Amazing window light coming through with this soft shade of orange just cascading onto the bushes, making it look ultra realistic and amazing. And this was shooting Twilights with Fotello. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below, but be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you would like to try out Fotello, go to fotello.co. The link is in the description down below. Have a great day.